This video will go over how to install both F2026 and F2027 for your Ford truck. If you find this video helpful, please consider giving the video a like and hitting the subscribe button below for future installs. To start, insert the coiled end of a 1/2-inch bolt fisher through the bottom of the frame and out through the oval hole toward the front end of the truck. Slide a star washer and then a plate washer onto a 1/2-inch bolt and thread it onto the coiled end of the bolt fisher. Next, insert the hardware one piece at a time through the frame, pulling on the straight end of the bolt fisher until the bolt shows through the frame, leaving the bolt fisher attached. Repeat this process, starting through the hole located up and backward of the previous one. Do this one more time, starting at the oval hole slightly toward the front of the truck on the frame. With all the bolts and fishers attached, feed the bolts through the appropriate holes on the tie-down, placing your tie-down on the truck. Remove the bolt fishers from the bolts and start placing the remaining washers and nuts onto the bolts. With all of the hardware fastened on the tie-down, torque the bolts to the foot-pounds laid out in the instructions. When you're ready to use your tie-down, simply slide the insert into place at the desired length and secure it with the provided bail pin. On the other side of the vehicle, the installation process is mostly the same. The only difference made during this install was where the coiled end of the bolt fisher was threaded for the rearward most hole. With both receivers in place and secure, you have successfully installed your Torklift frame-mounted tie-downs.
This video is a guide for visual reference. Please always refer to our instructions when installing Torklift products, for they are updated regularly. For any questions, visit our website or give us a call at 800-246-8132.